Booking an appointment for your hearing test is easier than you think. You can book your appointment directly with us at any Connect Hearing clinic across Canada. You can reach us by phone or visit our website to find the clinic nearest you. Contrary to popular belief, a specialist or physician's referral isn't required, although we are happy to accept new customers through referral. And last but not least, plan to bring a family member or friend with you to your appointment. Test results can be overwhelming for some, and having someone there as a second set of ears can be useful in helping you recall the details of your test. Have any more questions?